dears, I'm Rachel and now you're watching my YouTube channel. Right here I find review the most interesting and most profitable strategies for trading on the binary options. I do it almost every day for myself, so I'm sure that this video will be useful for you. Also, I have a Telegram group where I'm sharing my emotions and all the news in the world of trading and my own results of trading with you there. And also, of course, I have a VIP group with free signals with an accuracy of 70-80%. So if you want to be a VIP trader to trade with me together, just write me in a personal, want to join, and I will add you there. So all the main links you'll find in the description of this video. So guys, let's go to the trading. So my friends, let's start our trade session. Of course, now I will add the indicators as usual. First one is Bollinger Bands with a period of 13 and with a deviation of 2. The middle one will be yellow, background will be blue, and the top will be more green in color. And yes, it's enough. Period is 13 and deviation is 2. Okay, we did everything right, and let's add oscillators. A couple of stochastics suits me perfectly here. First stochastic will be with a period of 7. Overbought and oversold areas will be 70 and 30 respectively. The first stochastic we have already added, and let's set the second one. Now we didn't change anything here. Upper stochastic is faster and the lower stochastic is slower. Yeah, I mean the upper is more sensitive to price and the lower is less sensitive to price. So today we'll play with that strategy, and let's not hold back. You will see how to trade correctly with using these indicators during my trading session. And let's start and pick the most suitable currency pair. Let's open the deal to lower, valid at $100. We are playing here from the signal of the upper stochastic, which is more sensitive to price. We play here to lower. The intersection of the overbought area was happened. It's descending trend, and let me show the trend line. All points of the touching are respected here. The local high was updated, and after that correction, the dynamic of movement must go down. That's why we open the deal to lower here. I guess the exit may be in the end, so let's watch for the dynamic of the movement. Last seconds, and the first deal has been closed in the black. And what I'm saying about the exit was that in the end, the deal has been closed with gains. I followed first stochastic there and for its intersection of the overbought area. So let's continue the trading and consider more trade entries, and let's pick currency pair for this. Let's open the deal to up here. I'm focused on stochastic, yes. Especially I'm looking at the slower one, that is the lower stochastic. Signal line of indicator and the moving average of indicator intersected the oversold area. We see here a reversal too, and in general, this is a positive sign. The local low was updated. The touching of the lower channel boundary has happened, so that's why we opened the deal to up in this case. And in the end, we will expect the exit. It's 15 seconds left till the end, so let's watch for result. And yes, one more closed deal in the black. We were right there, and the deal has been closed in the black. So you've just seen such an interesting trade entry. Okay, let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair. Now we open the deal to raise the price, so we don't need to look at stochastic here. Let me show you a little the technical analysis here. In this deal you can see a really cool support area. So you should know that from this level it must work out in the theory. And then it has to rush up. We also see the touching of the lower boundary of the channel, and if to add the stochastic, it must be reversal to up here. Generally, I guess the dynamic of the movement has to grow up after this support area and the touching of the lower channel boundary. And you can see, yes, you can see the exit here. It's more than 10 seconds left till the end of the deal. The candle's movement suits me well. And again, the last seconds, and our deal has been closed in the black too. Let's change the value of the deal. I will put the maximum amount. So it was one more positive deal, my friends. So go ahead and pick the next suitable currency pair for the good trade entry. Let's open the deal to raise the price here again. I guess it's not the best trade entry though. I think it might be better. Anyway, the principle of the trade entry stays the same. There are both of stochastic, also we see a really good potential reversal here. We played a little ahead of the curve, so the touching happened there. So we just need to wait the exit to up. It's really easy. Despite the strong dynamic to down, I believe that in the end the exit must be occurred. So what I was saying, in the end, the exit has to be, so yes, we have found it from in the intersection of the stochastic and the touching of the lower boundary. The signal was right, so it's literally more than $1,000 imbalance, and I think it will be a good idea to open a couple of deals. So let's pick the next currency pair for the good trade entry. Okay, we open the deal to lower the price right here. The global point, or in other words, the global high is reached. There is a resistance area too. You may see touching and here too. And I believe that the movement must go through the correction. We play there a little ahead of the curve. Stochastic is in the peak. Overall, the further dynamic should go down, I guess. And that's why we opened the deal to lower exactly at this point. Now we'll expect the exit. Wow, one more positive deal that closed in the black, my dears. The exit has happened in the last seconds. Strategy doesn't cheat on you. Look at how risky the trade entry was there, but also you have seen this resistance area with the indicators. We closed the deal in the black, so let's do this one more time, about 3 or 4 deals to fix the result. And I guess then we may finish our trade session, so let's continue and pick the next currency pair. I think it will be good to open the deal to lower the price here. We see how an ascending trend goes into a descending one. And we see renewal. Yes, it's renewal of the price corridor here, also the renewal of the global high. And then the dynamic of the movement tries to go down. A little correction happens here, after which the dynamic must go down. We see on the first stochastic here and that it turns around and goes down, so that's why we open the deal to lower according to the trend here. we see that there is some kind of a price crash from the top to bottom, and there was an upward dynamic earlier and corrections too. I think there must be recovery on this price corridor, and yeah, it's again positive deal, my dear. So it's almost $3,000 on balance. So let's open two deals valued at $2,000 and pick the next currency pair. Now you can see that earlier we opened the deal here, it's lower. Okay, but now it will be to raise the price, and you can see really good touching of the support area, and there is also the touching of the lower boundary of channel. Yes, we played a little ahead of the curve here, so it's important to read a market. I think the both stochastic must be turned around. It's already come to the oversold area, and now we expect its reversal now. So let's watch. It's 15 seconds left till the end of the deal. And price has just gone up, but it's the same. You can see a green candle. The price has gone up a little, and generally yes. Yes, again, two more positive deals, my friends. A good result. Look, the last deal was quite interesting. That is, we have read the support area and seen our signal, the touching. And because of the 1 minute time frame and having a sense of the great instinct, we opened the deals to our buy indicators, of course. And actually we did it with gains. So if you want to try this strategy, I will leave the link to broker in the description of this video. Just go and check in, try it on them account, my dears, before you do this in real account. That's all for today. I have seen my really cool strategy and I hope you liked it. So my dears, don't forget to click a like, leave the comments below with the video, and of course I will be very pleased if you subscribe to my Telegram channel too. So guys, if you have some questions, just write me and I will try to help everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.